Good evening, Zimbabwe. Tino Machakaire, the survival in Zimbabwean politics, has long looked like a game of maneuver and convenience, yet none of it is translated into genuine service to the very people who put you in office. Sanapna mashoko buda panguva inatona kerina mjati hasi kumira now o director matax aiwa panguva kuna Tino Machakaire hazvina kumira zvakanaka manakerina mjati tikuona sema analyst wezvematongerwo enyika vari kuuya panguva ine vachiexpressa mafungiro avo vachizvishambadza kuvanhu vasubscribe like on the bell kuti inda paendo pake anonyora achiti the peasants of Maware and the entire Western South are your true employers, not Emerson Damson Mnangagwa, not the inner circle, not the political patrons you bend to. Your duty is to uplift the people who queue for hours for crumbs, not to orbit the power centers that have neglected them. What exactly do you expect a peasant build with $23? What project? What business? What livelihood springs from such a pittance? This is not empowerment. It is humiliation dressed as policy. Meanwhile, the suffering deepens. The raw poor sink further into bare bones existence, and those entrusted with leadership appear more focused on consolidating their own comfort rather than advancing the prosperity of their constituencies. Tino, our role should be to amplify the struggles of your people, not to echo the empty assurances of a leadership that has failed to provide a meaningful economic pathway for them. Your community deserves investment, dignity, and a future, not handouts that mock their hopes. Leaders should stand with the people, not above them. We stand firm with Mukanya Chiwenga, who speak truth to power and defend the welfare of Zimbabweans. A leader who honors elders, respects communities, and refuse to be swallowed by patronage. Those who betray the people's trust, those who abandon their mandate for political favor, must know Zimbabwe sees you, remembers you, and will outgrow you. Ndo mashoko amdayo papangwa ine pina comment section medu za funguro aima tukudi pamsoro mashoko akina mjati msawana subscribe like chitomba bell icon.